Hi, this is Simon Allardyce, and welcome to Pluralsight's What is Programming? You're now watching our most proudly fundamental course. This is where to begin if you've never written a line of code in your life, or even if you have and want to review the basics. And no matter what programming language you're most interested in, even if you're not completely sure about that, this course will make learning that language easier. We'll do this by starting with the most fundamental critical questions. How do you actually write a computer program, and how do you get the computer to understand it? We'll jump into the syntax, the rules of programming languages, and see many different examples to get the big picture of how we need to think about data and control the way that our programs flow. But this is Pluralsight, so this won't be just an overview. We'll even cover complex topics like recursion and data typing. And finish by exploring things that make real-world programming easier, from libraries and frameworks to SDKs and APIs. But you won't find a lot of bullet points here. This is a highly visual course. And by the end of it, you'll understand much more about the process of programming and how to move forward with writing any kind of application. But unlike most courses, this one does not require any one programming language, operating system, or application. There is nothing to download, nothing to install. So just sit back and relax as we get clear on what is programming.